Hey guys, this is Robert, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the screen protector for your Apple Watch. So this kit comes with a place to put your watch, some cloths to clean, and then the actual glass screen protector. Open this up. Not sure what it's like. Okay, so I'm going to remove my watch here. And place it in slots. So to remove the band, just push here, slide it out. Remove your bands. You place your watch in here, make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, from there, you get this cleaner. Microfiber dust remover wipe. Stickers. So here's the wet wipes. Alright, clean the surface. Okay. Once that's done, get your microfiber to dry it. Okay, see it's clean. You get one of these tabs here. I'm lining it up here. Put one here, push down, put two here, close it, slide it out. Once it's open, oh, okay, so that, now you pull it through. Okay, pull it out. Still be on there. Just thin there. But yeah, that's how you do it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.